Good morning, everyone. Morning time is 5 o'clock, and I am doing the preparation for the aloo parathas as we believe in giving fresh food. And this is my preparation. I'll add some salt and then give a mix to it, and my batter is ready. And this is my dough needed for the paratha. As one of our clients wanted early in the morning, as she is a school teacher, and so if the quantity is more, we can give it at any time. So here I am doing the parathas and I'll share the final image. And this is my aloo paratha. I'll drizzle oil on this, and आप देख सकते हो इतना मस्त फूल रहा है ये. इसे अच्छे से करारा होने तक हम पकने देंगे. And see the beautiful color. थोड़ा सा और ऑयल ड्रिजल करेंगे क्योंकि ये पराठे है. And of course it's not into a healthy version क्योंकि ये आलू के पराठे है. एंड मेरा पराठा रेडी है.